The World Health Organization has issued guidelines for protecting children against COVID-19, saying those over the age of 12 years should wear masks in line with recommended practice for adults in their country or area. Now, the World Health Organization admits little is known about how children transmit the virus, but cites evidence that teenagers can infect others in the same way as adults. More than 23.1 million people have been diagnosed with COVID-19 around the world, while over 14.9 million have recovered. At least 800,000 people have died, according to data from Johns Hopkins University. Children aged 5 and under should not normally wear masks, the World Health Organization has said. For children aged between 6 and 11, the WHO advises taking into account how widespread the transmission of the virus is and whether the child is interacting with high-risk individuals, such as the elderly. It also stresses the need for adult supervision to help children use, put on, and take off masks safely. It has emerged the novel coronavirus is circulating 4 times more among people under 40 years in France than among over 65 years old, the country's health minister Olivier Véran said, as the country reported an additional 3,602 new COVID-19 cases. India's coronavirus tally crossed the 3 million mark, according to the country's health ministry. Elsewhere, vacationers returning to the Italian mainland from Sardinia helped push Italy's daily new coronavirus caseload far past 1,000, reaching the high for the first time since early May. Confirmed cases increased from 947 on Friday to 1,071 on Saturday, with many infections confirmed in travelers who were tested as they disembarked from airplanes or ferries. South Korea reported its highest daily number of coronavirus cases since early March in Greater Seoul region. Korea Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, KCDC, warned the country is on brink of nationwide pandemic following the highest daily number of coronavirus cases recorded since March. In Africa, Nigeria's government has said it will bar entry to citizens of countries that do not allow Nigerians in their territories due to coronavirus restrictions. The European Union is among those barring Nigerians' entry. International flights resume on August 29, but the head of the Nigeria Civil Aviation Authority said only a few flights per day would be permitted as the test run for the protocols put in place to ensure a safe return to international operations. At least 23 million cases of infections have been registered worldwide, according to Johns Hopkins University, with most of them recorded in the US, Brazil, and India.